Alright, we're doing lesson 1. It's a chance for you guys to improve some of those bad grades you had in your grade book. First thing you do is go to our class. Once you've gotten to our class, click on this folder called Oceania. When you do that, click on the folder called Individual Lessons. Remember, you're working by yourself on this. Alright, so this is lesson number 1. If you click on any of these other lessons, the folders are going to be blank or empty until we've had that many days in class. So on our first work day in class, which is today, only lesson number 1's materials are visible. You can finish the stuff at home, but you can't start number 2 until we've had our second work day in class. If that's a little confusing, just ask me and I'll explain it. Alright, so right now click on lesson number 1. Very first thing I want you to do, click on this document called Lesson Day 1 Worksheet. And I want you to download and make your own Google Doc copy. Hopefully your computer's going faster than mine. So click the download and make a Google Doc version of this. Okay? Because you're going to be filling this in as you do this lesson. This is part of how I'm going to check to make sure you actually did the lesson. Okay? Once you have this done, you're going to type in, what would you like to know about Australia? It's either its history or Australia today in 2017. Type in some stuff. Think of it like a pre-class. Then you're going to watch a video called Australia Introduction Video. You're going to watch this video. When you're done watching the video, you are going to include one fact, one question, one comment from the video. Then you're going to go to Actively Learn. You're going to click on our class, whatever class period it is. And you're going to read the Australian creation myth. We've read a lot of myths this year. We've done the easy guesses, the hard guesses. You're going to do this on your own this time. Easy guesses, hard guesses. And you're going to put your guesses right in here. When you're done reading the myth, there's another short, this is a very short video that I want you to watch. It's called The First Australian People. It's all about how the Aborigines, the original people, how they got to Australia. There have been 3 different myths that have kind of come out, or not myths, sorry. 3 different theories that have come out over the years. There's one theory that makes perfect sense. There's one theory that seems really, really, really stupid. So you're going to go through and watch that. I think it's about 5 minutes. It's not long. Then you're going to include one question, one comment, one fact from that 5-minute video. Sorry, I forgot something. Before you do that, or after, it really doesn't matter, you are also going to watch a short thing on animals of Australia. It's a picture slideshow of a bunch of different animals from Australia. It's not all the animals, but it'll give you some idea of some of the animals that are there. A lot of these animals were eaten, maybe not so much now, but they have been food sources in the past. There are a lot of different types of animals in Australia. I've been told that kangaroo, for example, tastes a lot like sheep. It's kind of a little bit of a sweetness to it as far as the meat goes. I've never tried it myself, but I'd be willing to. So I guess what I'm saying is if you go to Australia, bring me back some kangaroo meat. When you're all done with the videos, with the reading, when you're all done, I want you to reflect on this lesson. because you're basically done with the lesson. I want you to type in one thing that you learned about Australia from today. I want you to think about, was there anything that you wanted to learn, going all the way back to this first thing, which is basically your pre-class here. Was there one thing that you wanted to learn that was covered today? One thing that you did learn. I wanted to know about this, and I did learn it. Cool. And the last thing, do you have any questions that were not answered in today's lesson? When you have that all typed up and you're all done, share that with me, and you are done. Lesson number 1 done.